In this video, how to stop Windows from pushing BIOS updates automatically on a Lenovo laptop. As you can see, Windows Update is downloading a new BIOS version. On the next restart, the BIOS will be upgraded automatically. In some cases, you may not want Windows to update the BIOS automatically. The first method is using the local group policy editor. Enable the option Do Not Include Drivers with Windows Updates. Alternatively, you can disable automatic driver updates from the system properties. As you can see, when the auto download drivers is disabled, Windows Update only download the update for Windows only. You need to install the drivers manually, or you can use the Lenovo System Update tool to do it automatically. Using this tool, you can download, install, or update drivers including BIOS if you need. As you can see, all drivers are updated except the BIOS update. Additionally, if you use Lenovo System Update, you need to disable auto updates in the app. The second method is disabling firmware updates in Device Manager. The next method applies to some laptop models where you can disable firmware updates from the BIOS setup. For example, this is a Lenovo ThinkPad laptop. Disable Flash BIOS updating by end user or Windows UEFI firmware update options to prevent updating BIOS from Windows. If your laptop is upgraded to the new version, you can manually download then install the older BIOS version. In case you cannot to roll back to the older BIOS version, make sure the option Secure Rollback Prevention is disabled in BIOS. If you use Lenovo Vantage, make sure the BIOS and firmware auto updates are disabled as well. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.